I ordered this from AliExpress on December 24th and I received it on January 7th. I would have preferred to buy it from a US store, but they were not in stock. Let's see what's inside. You see, this looks like the actual mount that we're going to be using. We have some tools and some screws. And we have the other part of the mount. To mount this here, we have to remove these two screws and this clamp, which are holding my handlebars to the scooter. These screws are 5mm Allen. So the stem button caps this hole right here, and you have to remove it to get the stuff on because it is slightly wider than the thing. I'm going to loosen the stem clamp here so I can remove the handlebars, allowing me to bring the mount on after I remove these two screws here. And this comes right off. 5mm. Oh, there we go. Now that all that is off, I can slide this right on. And in this bag, we have 3 screws and an Allen key. The shortest screw is going to be mounted onto the clamp. So the lock washer goes here, and then we screw this into here. 5mm Allen, and I'm going to put this clamp about here. The Allen came with the screws and the box. Now that those screws are on, I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to clamp it back in. And these screws are 4mm.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I had to remove these two 5mm Allen screws because when it's mounted like this, it won't actually reach the hook down there when I tested, so you have to remove them so you can mount it all the way at the top. Next, we're going to apply this hook here to the back of this board, and they gave us 2 screws and 2 lock washers to do so. This Allen is again 5mm. Right, I'm gonna have to clean this stuff out because if I don't, this will rub against all the sand in there and it'll get all ruined. It's nice and clean now, so I'm gonna stick this in here. I will bring this down. And it hooks just like that. And to show it sound, I will lift it right here.